episode is all about skiing. Skiing is the reason I grew the beard this winter. 3 times this winter. Spent some time on chairlifts. Chairlifts are fun. You see a lot while you're skiing, and it's really hard to capture it all, because you're going down the hill, you're paying attention to what you're doing. But then you have those times up on the chairlift, and you can watch others, and you got a pretty good bird's eye view. Anyways, this episode is all about skiing. I promise, nothing else other than skiing. Stay tuned.
They do have jumps. I wasn't expecting. What?
Just another day.